Hi guys, here 3 square is 9 plus 12 divided by 3 times 2 minus 5. Here this 9 plus 12 is 21 divided by 3 times 2 minus 5. Here 21 divided by 3 is 7 times 2 minus 5. Here 7 times 2 is 14 minus 5 is 9 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 9 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations, PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have the bracket in this problem. Next priority is the exponent. We have exponent here is 3 power 2. We have to do this 3 power 2 before any other operation. 3 power 2 is 9 plus 12 divided by 3 times 2 minus 5. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have division and multiplication. We have to do this division and multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 12 divided by 3. We have to do this 12 divided by 3 before any other operation. So 9 plus 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 2 minus 5. Here we have addition, multiplication and subtraction. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 9 plus here 4 times 2 is 8 minus 5. Here we have addition and subtraction. Here both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is 17 minus 5. 17 minus 5 is 12 is the correct answer.